Hi everyone, I'm Maya, your guide here at BTC Vision. Welcome back to our Bitcoin Educational Hub, the special section where we clear the noise and build your financial freedom from scratch. If you want to master the laws of money, follow BTC Vision right now. Let's start with a quick game. If I offered you $1 million right now, or a single magic penny that doubles in value every day for 31 days, which one would you choose? If you picked the million, congratulations! You just lost over $4 million. That magic penny turns into $5.3 million by day 31. Welcome to the magic of compound interest. In simple economics, compound interest is not just earning interest on your initial money. It's earning interest on your interest. It's a financial snowball. Albert Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. He said, "He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it." Most people are stuck in the traditional mindset of working for linear money. But to change your life, you must change your mentality. You need to make your money work for you, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, completely on autopilot. Let's look at a realistic example. Imagine you invest just $200 a month with an average 10% annual return. If you start at age 20, by the time you retire, you will have over $1.1 million. But if you wait until age 30 to start investing that exact same $200 a month, you retire with only around $400,000. You lost $700,000 just by waiting 10 years. The best part? You can do this completely in autonomy. You don't need an expensive financial advisor or a corrupt bank. Today, using simple automated apps, you can set up a monthly plan to automatically invest, go into solid macro assets like Bitcoin or index funds, and let time do the heavy lifting. The secret ingredient to compound interest isn't having a lot of money, it's time. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. Shift your mindset from a consumer to an investor. This is the exact vision we preach here at BTC Vision, building long-term decentralized wealth through pure financial literacy. Make sure to follow BTC Vision right now to unlock more secrets of the money game, save this video, and share it. Stay smart, start compounding, and I will see you in the next video.